Hi, Ma'am Aisa Ribalde. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Aisa Bagaris Ribaldi, 31 years old, single. I have 2 children, age 1-year-old and 8-year-old. I am living in Manok-Manok, Boracay, Malay, Aklan, Philippines. I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters. I am the second child of the family. I am college graduate. I took Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, major in tourism.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have experience abroad?
Yet, no ma'am, but I have experience here in the Philippines as a domestic helper for 2 years to a couple with two kids, age 1-year-old and 5-year-old. I also do household chores like laundry, cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing the car, and marketing. But my main duty is taking care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, ma'am, how would you take care of the child or the children when they are sick?
When the baby is sick, I will check his temperature, and if the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I am hardworking, honest, responsible person.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to a certain foods?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because of my dreams for my family and my children.
Okay, ma'am. If you get hired, ma'am, who will take care of your child or your children?
My partner, my parents, and my in-laws.
Okay, ma'am. If you're homesick, ma'am, what would you do?
I will focus on my work, ma'am, and remind myself that I need this job for my dreams.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. when my job is done and wake up 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who does the cooking and do the market at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be patient and more calmer when dealing with them.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the houseworks there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share your room with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am, and I'm willing to extend if needed.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, ma'am, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lie, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, great. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you will select me as your helper. I am hardworking, trustworthy, responsible person. I promise to serve your family. I promise to serve your family and for all my best. Thank you.